Hello, this is Mr. Knight. This is Geometry, Chapter 1.2, use segments and congruence. So let's just look at a few vocabulary words here. Postulate, a rule accepted without proof. All right, and then a theorem is a rule that that can be proven. And we'll actually use postulates and theorems in some of the chapters that are coming up when we do our proofs. Here's your first postulate. It's very simple. It's called the ruler postulate, using a ruler to make measurements between 2 points. When we talk about distance, remember we're always talking about positive. So if I needed to use a ruler to measure the distance between A and B, just take your ruler and measure. It's pretty simple. I do remember that, remember when we talk about line segments, identifying a line segment would look like this. If I'm actually looking at a measurement, there would be no bar on top, but it would just be AB and an actual number. Okay, so there is a difference there. This is identifying the segment. This is actually the measurement of the segment. All right, so here's your next, here's a postulate, postulate 2. It's called the segment addition postulate. And all it means, if I have a line segment that is AC, and it's made up of AB and BC. So if you read this postulate, it says if B is between A and C, and it is, then AB plus BC is equal to AC. If AB plus BC is equal to AC, just so you understand how these postulates work, this tells you the basics right here. AB plus BC is equal to AC. All right. Now they're going to rewrite that and say, okay, if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then B is in between A and C. And if you notice, it's the letters right there. So they're saying if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then B must be in between A and C. So it's just another way to use that postulate when it comes time for proofs. All right, here's our last slide. Let's look at congruent segments. It's line segments that have the same length. So AB could be equal to BC. All right. So here's an actual example, finding a length. All right. So we have FH. They want to find this GH. They want to find GH. All right. So they give you FH. That's 36, and they give you FG. That is 21. So just subtract the two, obviously, and you find out that GH is actually 15. So that's pretty straightforward. All right. So just to go back to what I had said earlier, if I look right here, if I have AB, in this case, AB is equal to CD, that's we're looking at the lengths are equal. We're actually looking at a measurement. If I see this right here, it's where I have, oops, sorry about that. It's where I have the actual segment identification there, the little bar on top. AB is congruent to CD. So when we talk about identification, we're not talking about values or measurements. We use congruence. When we actually have values that are part of a measurement, we actually use an equal sign. Okay, so that was kind of short and sweet, but that ends 1.2. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.